10 Best Quotes of Film. The Oxbow Incident, 1942. Oxbow Incident. The Oxbow Incident is one of the essential westerns, directed by William Wellman. A study of the effects and aftereffects of mob violence, this film, based on a true story, begins with the murder of a popular rancher. Angry townspeople form a posse, find suspects, and, without waiting for a trial, summarily hang them in an expression of biblically tinged frontier justice. But the one cowboy who tried to turn the mob aside ultimately proves that they executed innocent men. The only way to be a decent human being was to struggle against the tide of history, one man against a million odds. There is nothing more dangerous than a man who feels righteous in his ignorance. Fear makes people do terrible things, it brings out the darkest parts of our souls. Justice is not always found in the law, sometimes it's found in ourselves. To condemn a man without hearing his side of the story. That's the true shame of justice. On the importance of law and justice, law is a lot more than words you put in a book. It's everything people ever have found out about justice and what's right and wrong. It's the very conscience of humanity. The dangers of mob rule. Most men are more afraid of being thought cowards than of anything else, and a lot more afraid of being thought physical cowards than moral ones. This quote highlights how fear can drive people to violence and injustice. The lasting impact of violence, my dear wife. They'll have to go on remembering for the rest of their lives. A man just naturally can't take the law into his own hands and hang people without hurting everybody in the world. This quote emphasizes the psychological burden of participating in a lynching. Gil Carter, law? What law? Where's the law in this? The only law that matters is right here. Art Croft, this is only slightly better than hell. Major Tetley, God better have mercy on you. You won't get any from me. Davies, justice? What do you care about justice? You don't even care whether or not you've got the right men. Martin, you got it wrong. I didn't kill him. I didn't steal his cattle, and I haven't seen his wife in months. Gerald Tetley, there's so much in life that can't be explained, isn't there? I don't know if there's a God, but I do believe in goodness, and if you hang those men, you will destroy everything that's decent and kind in you. Davies, there's nobody to make it stop. You know that. You know that, and you're all trying to get it out of your heads some other way. Major Tetley, law? What law? Where's the law in this? The only law that matters is right here. Gil Carter, you think there's any chance of getting this thing stopped? Gerald Tetley, can't you see what you're doing? Can't you understand? You're hanging yourselves.